Hi, want to know how to take live photos on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to, of course, open the camera application and then rotate our camera because unfortunately the back of my camera is too dark for the live photos. So, here to enable this feature, we would need to click on the settings icon at the left bottom corner and here enable this feature which is named Top Shot. Here you can choose if you would like to turn it off, leave it automatically, or turn on. You got these three options. And Top Shot is basically the same thing as live photos, so it captures a short video from which the AI will choose the best shot. So let's try it. I will make a photo of this camera, and now if we will take a look on it and hold our finger on it, you can see that this is actually a video, and here is how it looks. Now you can capture all of the important moments in photos. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.